10 ways to fix the delayed notifications problem on your iPhone. Disable notification summary. Open the Settings app. Go to Notifications. At the top, tap on Scheduled Summary. Next to Scheduled Summary, toggle the switch to disable the feature. Disable the Do Not Disturb mode. On an iPhone with Face ID, swipe down from the top right corner. On iPhones with a home button, swipe up from the middle bottom. Locate the Do Not Disturb icon and tap on it to disable the feature. Enable notifications. Go to your iPhone settings. Tap on Notifications. Go to Show Previews. Then, select the Always or When Unlocked option. Go back and under Notification Style, select the app with delayed notifications. Next to Allow Notifications, toggle the switch to enable the feature. Under Alerts, select the notification style. Reboot your iPhone. Another thing you can do is reset your iPhone. The reset will give your device a fresh start and eliminate any minor bugs and glitches that could have occurred during the session. Many times a simple restart solves the problem. Check your network connection. For your apps to work correctly and send you notifications in real time, you need to have a stable internet connection. Otherwise, the connection can keep on reconnecting, thus delaying notification alerts. Make sure you're connected either to a stable Wi-Fi or your mobile data. Turn off the low power mode. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Battery. Next to low power mode, toggle the switch to turn off the feature. Turn off the low data mode. Go to your device settings. Tap on Wi-Fi. Next to your network, tap on the information icon. Next to low data mode, toggle the slider to turn off the feature. Do the same for mobile data. Update your apps. Open the App Store. Tap on your profile icon. Scroll down to Upcoming Automatic Updates and tap on Update next to an app or tap on Update All. Reset network settings. Open the Settings app. Go to General Settings. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and select Reset Network Settings. Enter the passcode and confirm the action. Update your iPhone. Open the Settings app. Go to General Settings. Tap on Software Update. Wait for your iPhone to search for updates. If found any, tap on Download and Install. Hopefully, this video provided the information you were looking for. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising supported software. The Disk Cleaner option will scan your computer for app caches, logs, downloaded files, and files still sitting in the trash. It will also show you how much space what files take up on your Mac. Combo Cleaner will also help you look through all big files on your Mac and delete those you don't need. You can also scan Mac for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.